What's up everyone, my name is Daniel and welcome to Crypto Bull. In today's video, I will be showing you step by step how to spot a 10x to 100x project on Pinksale in the ICO phase so that you can maximize your profits and also how you can avoid investing in a scam project. Before we proceed, I genuinely want to thank all of you for subscribing to this channel and watching my content because we have officially crossed 100,000 subscribers in less than 4 months, which sounds like a miracle to me. So thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and watching my content. And let's go spot some 10x projects on Pinksale. Alright, so we are on Pinksale and there are 4 things I always check before making any investment on any Pinksale project. Number 1, check the socials. They should be active because there are so many projects on Pinksale nowadays that have like 100,000 or maybe 10,000 Telegram members, 10,000 X members or Twitter members, but none of them are active. All of those followers are bot followers. This is purely a red flag because if that kind of project has a higher raised volume, chances are pretty high that the owner or developer themselves are investing in their project just to meet the soft cap or make the project trend. Number 2, the website. The website is the heart of any ICO or crypto project. This is the only place which differentiates between a good crypto project and a bad crypto project. So the website needs to be very professional. It should have a white paper. It should have all the socials. If it already has a utility, that is a bonus. Number 3 is the initial market cap or raised volume. Now we want to invest in a project which has a good initial market cap because if I am investing in a project which has an initial market cap of only $10,000, the liquidity can be drained pretty quickly once the selling pressure is high as soon as the project launches. My suggestion will be to invest in a project which has a higher initial market cap, and by higher, I will be comfortable in investing in a project which has at least $250,000 initial market cap or $250,000 initial market cap, which is pretty easy to attain nowadays on Pinksale. And number 4 is one of the most important things that I look for in a project, which is the LP tokens or the liquidity pool should either be locked or the tokens should be burned forever. I cannot stress this point enough that how essential this is because daily there are projects on Pinksale which are raising $100,000 and their LP tokens were not burned and they just pull the rug, take away all the liquidity and just vanish. It is that easy to scam on Pinksale nowadays. And with that, the amount of unlocked tokens or owner tokens or developer tokens should be minimal. An optimal spot for me is between 5 to 8%. If it's higher till 15%, that is still understandable. But if the unlocked tokens or owner tokens are more than 20%, that is an absolute red flag. So let's go ahead and see if we can find a good project to invest in on Pinksale and what kind of projects you need to avoid. Now, I missed a crucial point while assessing a Pinksale project, which is the badges. Any project need to have at least audit and KYC badge. And if a project does not have audit or KYC, which is the bare minimum for any project on Pinksale, then I will not be comfortable investing in such a project. When it comes to the audit badges, which are these badges, the higher the better. If a project has KYC, audit, SAFU, AMA, etc., all of these badges, then definitely that project is worth investing in. By this, I cannot guarantee that a project will be profitable for you because this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is purely for educational purpose. So always do your own research and only invest the amount that you are willing to lose. So when you land on any listing, the first thing you need to check is the audit, KYC. Always go through the audit if there are any red flags or any crucial errors in the smart contract. Number 2 will be open all the socials, the website, and go through the socials and website once to see how professional the website is. It shouldn't be a replica, it shouldn't be a duplicate, it should be very stable and accessible, and it must have all the necessary information, for example, your smart contract address, your white paper, etc. In case of this project, they have done a good job with the website. Let's check out their socials. So they have 5,200 members and 571 are online, which is again a healthy sign. So 10% of the people in the group are active, which is a good sign. Next will be go through their description. The total supply, in this case, the total supply is only 100 million, which is pretty low. And the most important part is your tokenomics. So 30% of the supply is for pre-sale, liquidity is 14.5%, and then 55% of the supply is locked. Now let's see when the lock is expiring because that is the most important thing. And here we can see the lock will be expiring in only 3 months. So again, if 55% of the supply is locked for 3 months, I am not going to invest in any project, even if it has KYC and audit and all the fancy website, etc. Because once the supply is unlocked, it's game over. So similarly, I have gone through the last project on the Pinksale trending bar, which is TALF, Trucks and Logistics Finance Fair Launch. I have clicked on their website and this is the website. Now this website is copy pasted from any trucking or logistics company website. And I can prove this because the information and the content here is not updated. The website looks, excuse my French, but no contact address here. All of these names are made up and duplicated. And the worst part is if you scroll down, it says copyright 2023 and we are in July 2024 already. So what they have done is they have just copy pasted website of some company called Trucks and Logistics Finance, and they are just trying to portray that this website is legit and this is a blockchain project. So this again is a clear red flag for me. This is how you can spot fake projects, and it took me less than 10 seconds to spot a fake project right away. Now this is one more project on Pinksale. It has already raised more than 657,000 US dollars. But the main problem here is that the amount they will be allocating for liquidity is extremely low, which is 21%. So again, I'm not comfortable in investing in a project which has a very small liquidity. Secondly, they have 3 locks and all 3 locks will be expiring in a couple of days, which are marketing and partnership. I do understand, but in 3 days, the tokens will be unlocked. And similarly, centralized exchange listing, there is no confirmation from any centralized exchange listing that this project will be listed. So once again, this is a red flag for me and I will stay away from this project. Okay, so I have gone through pretty much all the projects that are trending on Pinksale at the moment, and not even a single project I can find in which I will be comfortable investing. So I will stay away from investing in any of these projects and I'll wait for a good project, maybe check out tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. Just follow the steps, follow the process that I've told you in this video, and you should be able to spot a good 10x to 100x project to invest. If you find my content useful, then do subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want to learn how to launch your own cryptocurrency, how to launch it through a pre-sale or fair launch through Pinksale, then go ahead and check out my course, Coincraft Blueprint, which is available at coincraftblueprint.com. And it is available on Udemy as well. The link is in the description. Or if you're interested in knowing how the crypto scams or rug pulls really happen behind the scenes step by step, then go check out my other course, which is Decoding Crypto Rug Pull, which is available on Udemy as well. Link is in the description. Do check these out because they are on sale for a limited time only. I'll see you in the next one.